Welcome again to another episode of Between Two Trucks. I'm your host with the most, Barney, the roofing guy. I got a special guest today. He's a newbie.
Newbie. It's the nicest thing anyone's called me here in 2 years.
I was going to call you something, now I just forgot. Ryan Babyface Maines. Welcome aboard.
Thanks, host. Appreciate it.
So, tell my viewers a little bit about yourself. You know, how long you been here? What do you do?
I've been here, this is my third season, 2 years now, and I'm sales support. So whatever any of these guys need, whether it's paperwork, going out on a job, I've kind of done a little bit of that. I do a little bit of quoting, nothing major, but just trying to keep normal operations going.
Support, huh?
Yeah, support. It's in the title.
How come every time I ask for your support, you're never there?
It's totally different. You ask when I'm not around. You can't hold that against me.
What are you playing golf with Jack all the time? You see it on your shirt. He plays a lot of golf. I figured, you know, you work a lot with him, so.
Yeah. You should probably start practicing too, by the looks of your swing.
Right.
It's rough, really rough.
It's a roofing injury. It's hard to swing a golf club.
Sorry.
You ever got your hands dirty?
A couple times, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, I got a few topics today I'd like to discuss with you. And the way I usually do it, and I keep telling my... Who let him in here? Ain't you got something to quote, or... I'm surprised he's not in here. All right. What are the misconceptions of a spray foam roof? I'm going to ask you a few questions, and the way I try to perceive it, I'm the customer that you're talking to.
Okay.
Oh, you got a problem with that?
No.
Well, I didn't like your look just now.
I'm just definitely,
Oh, you're one of them smart little punks, ain't you?
well, you know, you could say that, yeah.
All right, here we go. How come a lot of our customers / architects never heard about spray foam roofing? Can you answer that, or is that a little bit
I would
above
say,
your
above my
level? Yeah.
You want to, don't bring numbers into this. Yeah, I can answer that for you. I think more or less it's a little bit of people aren't aware of it. They're used to their single plies or their older systems that have gone on the roofs, but we have been doing this for 40 years. So as far as people not knowing about it, I just think it's based on, you wouldn't expect a spray foam system on a roof.
That sounds a little difficult for you to answer that.
Well, you got a whole other list, why don't you just keep asking?
So I'm a customer, right? And I come up to you and you pop onto my property and I ask you, how do you attach spray foam to a roof?
Well, the spray foam kind of attaches itself, so to speak.
You don't use fasteners or anything like that?
Well, we talking about spray foam, we talking about board.
Spray foam.
As we spray the foam, it adheres to the surface. Now, not every surface it adheres to.
All right.
Yep,
That was a little difficult for you.
all right.
Is spray foam a temporary fix? I've heard that numerous of times when I'm out there selling.
It can be.
So it's not a permanent fix? Is that
No,
what you're saying?
it's a permanent fix. But if there are certain situations that call for it, it could stop a leak temporary. And then we could come back in, properly seal it as need be. I'm sure you do a lot of those temporaries, don't you?
Yeah.
No?
Let's not go there.
Okay, just
You're
a
barking
question.
up the wrong tree there, Junior.
I can't ask questions too?
No, I'm the host.
With the most.
I just had to put up with you as a guest, so.
Sorry, didn't know I was a burden.
Some people say that foam is weak, kind of like you. Is that true?
I would say neither of those statements is true. Usually with our spray foam.
All right. You're like a broken record, man. I don't shut you off. You keep playing. Easy. Are you going to a fire or something?
Fire?
Yes.
No.
Hey. One of the issues with spray foam is overspray. Is it hard to get off of things? Does it happen? Do you know what overspray is? Because I know you've probably never been an applicator, so I might be out of the ballpark with this one.
You're like a girlfriend jumping down my throat. No time to answer. She got all the questions in the world, though. Yes, it does happen in certain
You ever been slapped?
by prettier people.
That was a good comeback.
I don't know.
You're lucky I don't throw punch you for that one.
I would appreciate it if you didn't.
All right, let's move on to the next one. I heard single ply is better.
You like
Remember,
that?
I'm the customer.
Right. It's apples and oranges. Everyone has their preference.
I'm not a fruit farmer. I just want a roof.
Are you a roofer?
I'm the roofing guy, ain't I?
It's a preference. I think as long as anything is installed correctly, it can be a good system.
I heard that spray foam is only used for flat roofs, not sloped roofs. Is that true?
That's not true.
Why not?
We've sprayed 2 sloped roofs. Nothing straight up and down. Nothing.
I mean, we never sprayed foam on walls?
We've done walls.
Well, that's up and down, isn't it?
Well, you're asking about roofs. Now you're going into walls. It can be
We
done.
can put foam on anything that moves.
Well, yeah. That happen a lot.
Well, this time, with this virus going on, I'm surprised we don't have a clear shield between us.
That's a good point.
Luckily, I have my do-rag because everybody's been eyeballing it for taking it to grocery stores and stuff.
What's under the do-rag? Is there anything under the do-rag?
Yeah.
How are you getting a haircut still?
I don't need a haircut. Yeah, look at your pretty haircut.
Sorry.
Must be nice to have hair. To conclude this episode, I want to ask you one simple question. How does spray foam roofing compare to other roofing systems?
Unlike a lot of other ones, it's renewable. So once a warranty's up, you can come back in, clean it, put more silicone down. A lot of other systems, you can't do that.
Boy, you sound like somebody I know. He must have taught you well. Well, that concludes our episode today. Appreciate you showing up today and being a pain in my backside.
That's why they hired me.
Thank you for tuning in.